This ain't your grandpa's laptop. Dell Inspiron 15 with touchscreen, Office 2024 and beast mode RAM. We've all been there: click, wait, buffer, freeze, crash. Productivity? Dead. Motivation? Gone. That slowpoke laptop you're clinging to? It's sabotaging your hustle. Whether you're building empires on Excel or dodging emails like they're dodgeballs, nothing kills your momentum faster than a laggy, outdated device. Missed deadlines, lost files, and buffering during Zoom calls sound familiar? It's not you, it's your tech. Your tools should work with you, not against you. You don't have time for sluggish response times or mystery restarts. You need a system that runs as fast as your brain. If your laptop's holding you back, it's time to upgrade your gear and reclaim your grind. One more frozen tab and you might hurl your laptop off a balcony. Stress builds when your tools can't keep up with your multitasking mayhem. Stuck on a spreadsheet while your browser eats RAM like popcorn? Trying to lead a presentation while Windows updates hijack your flow? Your business, your career, even your sanity shouldn't be at the mercy of a $299 bargain bin clunker. You're juggling teams, tasks, and time zones. You can't afford to wrestle with spinning wheels and sudden shutdowns. In this fast-paced digital jungle, only the fastest survive. If you feel like your tech is gaslighting you, it probably is. Introducing your new productivity sidekick. The Dell Inspiron 15 3530 business laptop, a touchscreen beast with a turbocharged Intel Core i5-1334U, an eye-melting 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen, and a ridiculous 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD combo that'll laugh at your 47 Chrome tabs. Say goodbye to boot delays and hello to warp speed workflow. Running Windows 11 Pro and bundled with a lifetime Microsoft Office 2024 suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, yup, the whole gang. This is the no BS tool built for serious biz warriors. Lightweight, sleek, Wi-Fi 6 ready, and webcam equipped, it's your full-stack digital war machine in under 4 pounds. Your focus deserves better. With the Dell Inspiron 15, you'll glide through spreadsheets, slice through slide decks, and multitask like a caffeinated octopus. That anti-glare touchscreen? Perfect for binge working without eye strain. Need to present? Plug into HDMI, launch that PowerPoint from Office 2024, and steal the room like a boss. Want a smooth Teams call without "can you hear me" vibes? You've got a crisp webcam, killer mic, and Wi-Fi 6 to handle it. Oh, and the Numeric keypad means you'll finally get through invoicing without tears. This isn't just a laptop, it's your new digital battle station. Plug in, gear up, conquer. Still thinking about it? Nah, act. The Dell Inspiron 15 isn't just nice, it's necessary. Don't wait until your current system ruins another workday or nukes your big project 5 minutes before the deadline. Seize this beast while it's hot and dominate your workflow with no excuses, no lags, and no limits. Whether you're a hustling entrepreneur, a spreadsheet ninja, or a Zoom call assassin, this machine is your new secret weapon. Lifetime Office? Touchscreen flex? Crazy fast specs? It's all here. Click the buy now button like it owes you money. Go ahead, level up, blow up, boss up.